Experts project a bullish pattern for explicitly spell commonly token in 2025, with costs possibly coming to $0.0112 mark. The especially current market cost of one in every way that really matters, spell truly token sort of is $0.10. The cost of one spell would generally reach as high as $0.0678 by 2030 in an unobtrusive manner. The negative cost expectation for basically spell commonly token spell in 2040 for the most part is $2.75, with a really likely especially high of $3.45, which basically shows that the genuinely current market cost of one generally spell token in every practical sense is $0.06. Long-haul examination recommends that spell commonly token cost might actually flood to $3.97 by 2050, with a genuinely possible reach somewhere in the range of $3.75 and $4.36 in an essentially huge manner. Starting around 17 February 2024, spell truly token in a real sense is exchanging at $0.06 in term of its IST rate, with a value change of 53% in truly most recent 1 hour incredibly. Spell by and large has a kind of complete market cap of $64,472,738 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $16,407,799, which for the most part is genuinely critical. This in every practical sense makes by and large spell certainly token spell truly positioning at 481 in the digital money market, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. On the off chance that you especially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what is the spell genuinely token cost expectation end of 2024, what will sort of spell kind of token generally be genuinely worth in 2024, or so they by and large thought? Is spell fundamentally token an essentially wise speculation, or certainly worth purchasing in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Or by and large spell cost most certainly outperform its unsurpassed high? Or so they explicitly thought. These are our truly spell token cost expectations for spell's future, which generally is genuinely huge. Spell sort of token spell value expectation 2024 as per the spell kind of symbolic gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the spell cost generally is supposed to cross an extremely normal value level of $0.835, the normal sort of least value worth of, for the most part, spell especially token toward the finish of the in every way that really matters current year ought to be $0.885 in an exceptionally huge manner. Besides, especially spell can explicitly arrive at a truly greatest value level of $0.965, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Spell commonly token value figure February 2024, the very normal cost of for the most part spell, especially token spell, could basically go to $628 toward the finish of February 2024. So fundamentally spell in every practical sense, token value conjecture February 2024, the by and large normal cost of especially spell commonly token spell could in a real sense go to $628 toward the finish of February 2024. Spell could be exchanging around a sort of most extreme worth of $645 with the kind of least expected cost of $568, or so they sort of thought. Spell truly token spell value figure Walk 2024. For Walk 2024, the cost of explicitly spell genuinely token sort of is for the most part anticipated to, in every practical sense, arrive at a truly normal cost of $6 for us, while the coin could exchange between an exceptionally limit of $677 and a sort of least of $610 in a significant manner. Spell truly token spell value figure April 2024. The spell kind of token spell cost for April 2024 may arrive at an extremely least worth of $636, while the exceptionally greatest estimated cost essentially is around $7.9, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. The fundamentally normal cost for truly spell basically is somewhat anticipated to generally reach $666 in April 2024, which really is very huge. Spell value conjecture May 2024. The spell kind of symbolic figure for May 2024 expects that the spell may explicitly arrive at a most extreme worth of $742 with an exceptionally least cost of around $655, or so they by and large thought. Discussing the extremely normal cost really spell can truly stretch around $679 for May, which generally is very critical. Spell pretty symbolic value conjecture June 2024. In June 2024, the most extreme cost for sort of spell genuinely token could explicitly stretch around $769, or so they basically thought. Moreover, the minimum cost of certainly spell in June 2024 most certainly is $682 with a very normal cost of $976 in an essentially significant manner. Spell exceptionally token value expectation July 2024. The cost of fundamentally spell extremely token is by and large anticipated to, for the most part, reach at a truly least worth of $69 in July 2024, which generally is very critical. The spell cost could in a real sense arrive at a greatest worth of $798 with the typical exchanging worth of $70s all through 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. Spell fundamentally token value expectation August 2024. The cost of truly spell extremely token generally is for the most part anticipated to, for the most part, reach at the very least worth of $712 in August 2024, which really is very huge. The spell cost could basically arrive at a greatest worth of $834 with the in every practical sense normal exchanging worth of $742 all through 2024, which sort of is genuinely critical. Spell certainly token value conjecture September 2024. In September 2024, the kind of most extreme cost for truly spell kind of token could in a real sense stretch around $863, which basically is very critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of in a real sense spell in September 2024 certainly is $748 with a very normal cost of $772 in a significant manner. Spell certainly token value gauge October 2024. The kind of normal cost of most certainly spell fundamentally token spell could go to $787 toward the finish of October 2024, which sort of demonstrates the way that the spell cost could arrive at an especially greatest worth of $798 with a typical exchanging worth of $70 all through 2024. Spell could especially be exchanging around a greatest worth of $902 with a really least expected cost of $9757. So generally spell could be exchanging around an exceptionally most extreme worth of $645 with the in every practical sense least expected cost of $568, or so they in every practical sense thought. Spell exceptionally token value conjecture November 2024. The normal cost of spell fundamentally token spell could basically go to $803 toward the finish of November 2024 in every practical sense. Further appearance how by and large spell especially token value expectation August 2024. The cost of essentially spell extremely token fundamentally is somewhat anticipated to, for the most part, reach at a by and large least worth of $712 in August 2024 in a by and large enormous manner. Spell could sort of exchange around a for the most part greatest worth of $933 with the in every way that really matters least expected cost of $779. Spell value estimate December 2024. The spell extremely token conjecture for December 2024 expects that the spell may basically arrive at a by and large greatest worth of $965 with a very least cost of around $885, or so they basically thought. Discussing the sort of typical cost, certainly spell